Hazrat Masruq states that Hazrat Khabbab radiyallahu anhu said, I was a blacksmith and As bin Wail was in debt to me. When I went to him for demanding my amount, he said, I will not pay the amount unless you disbelieved in Muhammad S.A.W. I replied, if you die and then be resurrected, even then I will not defy him. He said, I will definitely be resurrected after the death, so I will soon pay your debt off, when I will also restore my property and offspring. Whereupon this revelation was revealed. Have you seen him who disbelieved in our signs and says, I shall surely be given wealth and children? Has he looked into the unseen, or has he taken any covenant with the most affectionate? Never, no. We shall put in writing what he says and will prolong for him the torment. And for whatever he is speaking, we shall inherit, and he will come to us alone. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4735.